Hello everyone, today I am back with another video of simple compound and complex sentences. This is the part 2 of this video, and the part 1 consisted of all the rules, conjunctions and 3 transformations. So if you do not have watched it, please go and watch it first. Now let's get into our today's video. Our today's first transformation is compound to simple sentence. Examples: he finished his exercise and put away his books. Having finished his exercise, he put away his books. We see that whenever a activity is completed and then we do another activity, having is used there. So having was added here and a comma was added so that we can separate the two tasks. Not only did his father give him money, but his mother did too. Besides his father giving him money, but his mother did too. We saw that besides become not only but also. So when we see not only but also, then it is converted to besides in this simple sentence. So besides was used here, and as to separate the two sentences, comma is always used there. He was a mere boy, but he offered to fight to the giant. In spite of him being a mere boy, he offered to fight the giant. He was a mere boy, and so, in spite of him being a mere boy, is used here. And then, comma is used to separate the two sentences. He must not be late, or he will be punished. In the event of his being late, he will be punished. Being late is an event, and so in the event of being late is used here, and he will be punished is an possibility, or we can say another task, so it is divided by a comma. You must either pay the bill at once or return the goods. Failing prompt payment, the goods must be returned by you. Here, to pay the bill at once is said, and so failing prompt payment is used here. To pay the bill at once means prompt payment, and so failing prompt payment, the goods must be returned by you. The men endured all the horrors of the campaign and no one of them complained at all. The men endured all the horrors of the campaign without one of them making any complaint. Without is used here instead of no one of them. We must eat or we cannot live. We must eat to live. We just made it simple. Now, let's see the detailed examples of compound to complex sentences. The fox praised the crow for his golden voice and took the bread away. And is the coordinator, and we have to add the subordinator as we are converting it to complex sentence. After the fox praised the crow for his golden voice, took the bread away. Took the bread away is the principal clause here, and the subordinate clause is the after the fox praised the crowds for his golden voice. Subordinator is at first here, as we can see, because this activity praising was done first. So after subordinator is used, so the subordinate clause is first and principal clause is next. Another one, she is shocked and therefore she fell unconscious. And therefore are the coordinators here. She is shocked, so she fell unconscious. So is used here as it is a reason that why she fell unconscious. She will achieve the target or die, or is the coordinator here. If she does not achieve the target, she will die. If is used here because it is a, we can say, condition for her to achieve the target or she will die. It is, we can say, the truth, or we cannot change that, and so If is used here. Compound to complex examples. Write a letter and get the reply. If you write a letter, you will get a reply. In compound, we see that and is the coordinator and if is the subordinator in the complex sentence. He did not work hard but achieved the target. Although he did not work hard, he achieved the target. But is the coordinator, although is the subordinator. I met him in the garden and remembered my childhood. When I met him in the garden, I remembered my childhood. And is the coordinator, and when is the subordinator. When is used here because it was the past time, and we have described the time that when we met, and so when was used here. As I met him in the garden, I remembered my childhood. As is the subordinator here. She lives near the school and teaches English there. She lives near the school where she teaches English. There becomes where. He has joined coaching classes and so he does not teach at home. He does not teach at home because he has joined coaching classes. Because is used here as subordinator, as it is a reason. As he has joined coaching classes, he does not teach at home. As is the subordinator. We can see that there may be two answers in some transformations, but we don't have to worry if we only write one of them. She has lost some money but not her wealth. Though she has lost some money, she has wealth. I did a crime to earn money and I am suffering now. As I did a crime to earn money, I am suffering now. And is the coordinator here, and add as is the subordinator here. She went to buy some vegetables but she got some fruits. But is the coordinator here. Though is the subordinator here. She went to buy vegetables, she got some fruits. Though is used, and so when though and although are used, comma is always used. Open the bag and you will get the grapes of Nasik. If you will open the bag, you will get the grapes of Nasik. You will have to do this task to get the grapes of Nasik, and so if is used here. No sooner you will open the bag and then you will get the grapes of Nasik. No sooner. It is a time that if you do not do this, then you cannot get the grapes of Nasik. Her mistakes were pointed out but not corrected by her. Her mistakes were pointed out, she did not correct them. They have to complete the work in time or they will be punished. If they will not complete the work in time, they will be punished. We see that in this transformation, mostly we can say the subordinate clauses are first and the principal clause is after the comma or in the second sentence. He had insulted me, but I will not do the same to anybody. Though he has insulted me, I will not do the same to anybody. Get out or I shall beat you. If you do not get out, then I shall beat you. Detailed example of complex to compound. He was waiting for 1st April so that he might make her April Fool. So that is the subordinator here. He wished to make her April Fool, and so he was waiting for the 1st April, and so is the coordinator. If she does not take care of her purse, she will lose her money. If is the subordinator. We see that the subordinate clause is always first and the principal clause is always second. She does not take care of her purse and so she will lose her money. And is the coordinator and so is the coordinator. There are two coordinators here because it is a condition which is getting passed right here. I am confident that he is a criminal. That is the subordinator here. He is criminal and I am confident of it. Complex to compound examples. As soon as I saw the robbers, I informed the police. I saw the robbers and informed the police. As soon as is the subordinator here. Unless she takes medicine, she will not recover. She must take medicine or she will not recover. Unless is the subordinator here or is the coordinator here. Because he has committed a crime, he will be imprisoned. He has committed a crime and so he will be imprisoned. Because is the subordinator here and is the coordinator here. It was amazing that she won the gold medal. That is the subordinator. She won the gold medal. She accepted that she had made a silly mistake. That is the subordinator here. She had made a silly mistake and she accepted it and is the coordinator here. We can prove that the earth is round. The earth is round and we can prove it. And is the coordinator, that is the subordinator. We sow so that we may reap. We desire to reap, therefore we sow. Therefore is this coordinator and that is the subordinator. If you do not hurry, you will miss the train. You must hurry or you will miss the train. Or is the coordinator, if is the subordinator. I am certain you have made a mistake. You have made a mistake and of this I am certain. He is more a philosopher than a poet. He is something of a poet, but rather more of a philosopher. He is a poet, but more a philosopher. So, but rather is used here. Now it's time for the exercise. The first 5 sentences are to convert the simple to compound sentence. In this tower sat the poet gazing on the sea. In this tower, the poet sat and gazed on the sea. To everyone's surprise, the project was a complete hit. The project was a hit and everyone was surprised. Rushing against Horatius, he smote all his great might. He rushed against Horatius and smote with all his might. Owing to drought, the crop is short. There is drought, and so the crop is short. He must resign on the pain of public dismissal. He must resign or he will be publicly dismissed. Now, the sentences from 6th to 10th are the conversion of compound sentences to simple sentences. He tried hard, but he did not succeed. In spite of his having tried hard, he did not succeed. He is very poor, but he does not complain. In spite of his being very poor, he does not complain. My friend arrived and we went for a walk. My friend having arrived, we went for a walk. I continually invited him to visit me, but he never came. In spite of my continually inviting him to visit me, he never came. He has an unpleasant duty and he must perform it. He has an unpleasant duty to perform. Now, the sentences from 11th to 15th are of conversion of simple sentences to complex sentences. He confessed his crime. He confessed that he was guilty. His silence proves his guilt. The fact that he is silent proves his guilt. Only Indians are admitted. If you are not an Indian, you cannot be admitted. He bought his uncle's library. He bought the library which belonged to his uncle. The management is thoroughly bad. The management is as bad as it could be. Now, the sentences from 16th to 20th are of conversion of complex to simple sentences. He said that he was innocent. He declared his innocence. He died in the village where he was born. He died in his native village. Men who have risen by their own exertions are always respected. Self made men are always respected. You can talk as much as you like. You can talk to your heart's content. He does not always talk as he thinks. He does not always speak his thoughts. Now, the sentences from 21st to 25th are of compound to complex sentences. Search his pockets and you will find the watch. If you search his pockets, you will find the watch. Do as I tell you, or you will regret it. Unless you do as I tell you, you will regret it. He had to sign or be executed. If he had signed, he would have been executed. Waste not, want not. If you do not waste, you will not want. He saw the danger but pressed on. Although he saw the danger, he pressed on. Now, the sentences from 26th to 30th are of complex to compound sentences. I am glad that he has recovered from illness. He has recovered from illness, and I am glad of it. If he is at home, I shall see him. He may be at home, and in that case, I will see him. He lost more than he could afford. He could afford to lose something, but he lost somewhat more. I have the book that I had lost. I had lost a book, but I have found it. He worked hard so he might win the prize. He aimed winning the prize and worked hard. So, this was it for the exercise, and our topic simple, compound, and complex sentences end here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down any doubts or suggestions in the comment box down below. Please support and hit that notification bell after subscribing so you will be notified about all our future uploads. Till then, have a good day. Goodbye.